If you're over 40 and still depending on coffee for morning energy, I'm about to show you 5 simple hacks that will give you more natural energy than any cup of coffee ever could. And the best part? You can do all of these in under 10 minutes. Hack number 1, the 2-minute energy awakening stretch. First hack, the moment you wake up, before you even get out of bed, do these 3 stretches. Knee to chest for 30 seconds each leg, then a gentle spinal twist, and finish with reaching your arms overhead. This activates your nervous system and gets blood flowing better than caffeine. Hack number 2, cold water face splash and breathing. Hack number 2, splash cold water on your face for 30 seconds, then do 4 deep breaths in through your nose, hold for 4, out through your mouth for 6. This triggers your vagus nerve and gives you instant alertness without the jitters. Hack number 3, the protein power start. Hack 3 is crucial after 40. Eat 20-25 grams of protein within your first hour. Greek yogurt with nuts, eggs, or a protein smoothie. This stabilizes your blood sugar and prevents that mid-morning energy crash that makes you reach for more coffee. Hack number 4, 5-minute movement first. Hack 4, do 5 minutes of any movement. Walk around your house, do some jumping jacks, or my favorite, wall push-ups and body weight squats. This releases natural endorphins that give you sustained energy for hours. Hack number 5, hydration before stimulation. Final hack, drink 16-20 ounces of water before anything else. Add a pinch of sea salt and lemon if you want. Most morning fatigue is actually dehydration from 8 hours without fluids. Try just one of these tomorrow morning and notice the difference. If you want more energy tips for people over 40, subscribe and hit the bell. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below.